Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your profile picture on Roblox. So first you want to go to this website called roblox.com. I'm going to ask you to log in into your account, so do that. Now once you're in roblox.com inside your account, it's going to open up dashboard like this. From over here at the top right corner, your profile name is going to be shown along with your current profile. So what you need to do is click on your name. Once you click on name, it's going to bring you over here. Now from over here, what you want to do is scroll a bit down. And this is basically your current profile picture, as you guys can see. So if you want to change it, what you can do is change it from over here. So if I want to change my hair, I can click on the hair and change my hair. So let me just do that. So I'm just going to select a random hair from over here, just like, and as you guys can see, the hair is going to cost me Robux, so I need to actually buy it. This is the only free hair I have. But if you guys have bought some hair, it's going to be shown over here. You can choose whichever hair you want and it's going to be changed. Now it's similar for other aspect as well. For like your face, you can click on face. For your clothes, your pants, you can click on all these stuff. You can change whichever you want individually. You can even click on this little to show other stuff. So if I want to change my clothes, I can click on one of this and my clothes will be changed as well if I want to. And remember, I need to pay if I want to use any other clothes, but if you have bought clothes, it's going to show over here and you can click on it to change your clothes. But yeah, that is basically how you guys can change your profile on Roblox, by coming over here and changing everything individually, and at the end just click on save and your profile will be saved. That is how you guys can change your profile picture on Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.